Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a taco stand. Please do remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This is the amount of space required to make the stand. And here are all of the materials that we will need to build it. Begin by placing 5 orange concrete in a row on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We then want to extend backwards by 2. 1, 2. Then extend across the back of the stand by placing a smoker and then 3 orange concrete. 1, 2, 3. Lining up with the front of the stand. Then place a spruce fence gate to connect the front and the back of the stand together. And then place a spruce fence on each one of the 4 corners of the stand. We then want to place bamboo slabs on top of each one of the fences and connect these slabs together left to right along the length of the stand. We then want to place an additional bamboo slab on top of the 3 middle slabs and then an additional one on top of the center of the 3. We want to do this on the front and the back, and this will create the taco shell. We then want to place a mixture of brown terracotta in between the shell and some other materials as well. So some lime terracotta, and if you like, yellow terracotta, and perhaps even red. However, I would recommend that we use concrete powder as well because the texture is nice, and we can place yellow, red, and perhaps a bit more brown terracotta on top of the center of the taco, like this. Next, add some lime carpet on top of the yellow concrete powder, and yellow carpet on top of the brown terracotta. Next, we will decorate the stand by placing a brewing stand along the back here with a flower pot next to it. We will use different varieties of candles for different kinds of condiments and sauces and all sorts of extras that we can have on our taco. We'll also have item frames as well with different things in them. So we can have steak, we can have horn coral fan to look like cheese. We could even use different dyes as well, so for guacamole and different things. But my personal preference is to have steak and horn coral fan because it just looks like meat and cheese, and of course you can swap where everything goes around the stand, nothing has to stay where it is. Finally, let's make a taco banner. Throw down a loom, open it up and place an orange banner in there with a school charge pattern and red dye. Apply the pattern, put the banner back in and remove the pattern and the dye. Next, throw in the flower charge pattern with lime dye, apply it, remove the pattern, then throw the thing pattern with yellow dye, apply the pattern, take it out. We can leave the yellow dye in there and apply the roundel pattern. Grab that, put that back in, add orange dye, and last but not least, we simply want to add the per fess inverted pattern. Grab your banner, and we have 2 options here. So option 1 is to kind of just place this next to the stand, just to kind of indicate what we have here. However, I actually quite like plastering the banner along the front of the stand. I think that it kind of just garners a little bit more attention, and I just kind of like how it looks. And there we go, that is the tutorial 100% fully completed. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for a little bit of extra inspiration for your city and you don't know what to build, check out the Mini City Builds playlist down below in the description. Almost 60 tutorials strong as of recording this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.